Welcome students. I am Usha Rani, working as assistant professor in the department of CSBS in Ramco Institute of Technology. In this session, I am going to explain two problems on cost volume profit analysis by using equation method. So let's get into the first problem. So some data are given. With that data, we have to find two things. First one is target profit and second one is how the target profit can be achieved. So the data given are investment is 10 lakhs and return on investment is 15% of the investment. Selling price of the product is 25 per unit and variable cost is 15 per unit. Fixed cost is 4 lakhs. So quantity needs to be sold as 50,000 units. So first we have to find the target profit. So target profit can be calculated by using return on investment. So return on investment is 15% of the investment. So 10 lakhs is the investment. 15% of 10 lakhs is 1,50,000. So that is the target profit we need to get from selling the products. So first for the first one we have got result. So target profit is 1,15,000. The next question is how the target profit can be achieved. So to find that, so actual profit. So to find the actual profit, first we have to calculate the revenue. So revenue is nothing but the selling price into quantity. So here the selling price per unit is 25 for 50,000 products. That is 50,000 units. We can get the revenue as 12 lakhs and 50,000. So now we can find the profit. So profit can be calculated by subtracting total cost from revenue. So what is the total cost? Total cost is the combination of fixed cost and the variable cost. Here the fixed cost is given directly, but the variable cost is given per unit. So first of all we have to find the variable cost for 50,000 units. So 15 is a variable cost. So variable cost per unit we have to find it for 50,000 unit. So 15 into 50,000 equal to 7,50,000. So fixed cost is already given in the question, so that is 4 lakhs. So total cost equal to fixed cost plus variable cost, so 11 lakhs and 15,000. So now we can calculate the profit by subtracting the total cost from revenue. So that is 12 lakhs 50,000 minus 11 lakhs and 50,000 equal to 1 lakh. So actual profit by solding 50,000 units is 1 lakh, but we need to hit target profit as 1 lakh and 15,000. That is that we have got from the return on investment percentage. So our target is 1,50,000, but we have got 1 lakh by solding 50,000 units. So we need to increase the quantity of the products sold. So that's why we can increase the profit. So to achieve the target profit, we have to increase the number of units sold. So for that, to achieve the target profit, we are going to calculate how much quantity we need to sold. So consider number of units as Q. So next one is profit equal to revenue minus fixed cost minus variable cost, as we seen before, which need to be equal to 1,50,000. So now we will rearrange the formula. So revenue equal to selling price into quantity. Revenue can be replaced by selling price into quantity. Similarly, variable cost can be replaced by variable cost per unit into quantity. So I am replacing the quantity by Q. So selling price into quantity minus fixed cost minus variable cost per unit into quantity is equal to 1,50,000. Now I am going to apply the values on this. Selling price is 25 per unit. Fixed cost is 4 lakhs and variable cost is 15 per unit. Now I am going to find the quantity. So 25Q minus 4 lakhs minus 15Q equal to 1,50,000. So 25Q minus 15Q equal to 10Q. the 4 lakhs can be added to 1 lakh and 50,000. So that will be result in 5 lakhs and 50,000. Q equal to 5 lakhs and 50,000 by 10. So that will be result into 55,000 units. Okay. So now we got the result. So to achieve the target of 1 lakh and 50,000, we need to sold 55,000 units. That is 55,000 products we need to sold. That's why we can get the target as 1 lakh 50,000. So with this, the problem 1 we have solved. So once again I am repeating the problem. First with some data they are asking for target profit and how the target profit can be achieved. So with the given data we are first finding target profit by using return on investment percentage. So return on investment is the some x percentage of investment is return on investment, that will be considered as our target profit. Then next question is how the target profit can be achieved. So to find that we have to find the actual profit. So actual profit is with the quantity of with the quantity given by the given in the question. So with that quantity we are finding the actual profit with the similar formulas. Then we are finding the same thing to achieve the target profit, how much product needs to be sold. So similarly we are going to see the another problem. So this is problem 2. Here also same in the same pattern they are giving data. We have to find the target profit and the target, how the target profit can be achieved. So as we have seen before, now we are going to find the target profit. Target profit can be calculated by using return on investment. So return on investment is the 12% of investment. So we need to find 22, the investment here is 22 lakhs. So 12% of 22 lakhs is 2 lakhs and 64,000. So that will be considered as target profit. So now we have to find the actual profit, then how much units we have to sold extra to get the target profit. So now we are going to find the actual profit by using the same formulas. So revenue equal to selling price into quantity. So here selling price is 25 per unit. So 25, the total number of units at 45,000. So we have got the revenue as 11 lakhs 25,000. So now we need to calculate the profit. Profit is nothing but subtracting the total cost from the revenue. So need to calculate total cost. Total cost is nothing but fixed cost plus variable cost. So fixed cost is given in the question itself, that is 3 lakhs and 50,000. Now we need to find the variable cost. So variable cost is given in the question as 15 per unit. So if it is 15 per unit, we have to find it for 45,000 units. So 15 into 45,000 equal to 6 lakhs and 75,000. So fixed cost is 3 lakhs and 50,000. So total cost equal to addition of these two things 10 lakhs 25,000. So profit equal to revenue minus total cost. So revenue is 11 lakh 25,000 minus 10 lakh 25,000 equal to 1 lakh. So actual profit is 1 lakh, but we need to get the target profit as 2 lakhs 64,000. So to achieve the target profit, we need how to increase the quantity sold. So already the quantity sold is 45,000. To achieve the target profit, we have to increase the total quantities needs to be sold. So to find that, I am rearranging the previous used formulas. So with that, profit equal to revenue minus total cost. The total cost can be replaced by fixed cost plus variable cost. So again I am changing revenue equal to selling price into quantity, and variable cost is variable cost per unit into quantity, which is equal to the profit, the target profit 2 lakhs and 64,000. I am equating it to the target profit. So now I am replacing the quantity by Q. So So now I am applying the given data in this equation. So selling price is 25 per unit. So into quantity minus fixed cost is 3,50,000 minus variable cost is 15 per unit. So 15Q equal to 2,64,000, that is the target profit. So now equating this, we are getting quantity equal to 61,400. So to achieve the target profit of 2,64,000, we need to sold 61,400 units. So it's a very easy problem. So some data are given. With that, we have to find initially the target profit by using return on investment percentage. Then we have to find the actual profit. Then to achieve the target profit, how much quantity we need to increase. Thank you for listening this session.